I've been looking at a lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying. So, okokuqala, Kelly, Nonhlanhla, ngifake ibuku ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibone into lezama ukuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, like Lento Lewe and Zayo, don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Besengimangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I shoot this, shoot that. Stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento leyo ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So ubheke uboy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. Angithi sasinyana la wakho ukhuluma ngami ukhuluma ngami ukhuluma ngami. I understand ukuthi makhuluma ngami obviously izoba uha, then wonke umuntu ondlingano bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi ondlingano bayondliwa bona, were they ever wondlad?
So that was Jub guys, as he was speaking, about what Kelly Khumalo is doing, going around on podcasts, and speaking bad about him. So just recently, this is what, I think finally pulled, Jub to then make this video. So the latest one was when Kelly Khumalo was saying that all his baby daddies, they are sort of useless because they are not contributing anything to raise the children. So I think that is what made Jub to show up, because he is being painted in a bad picture, isn't like that of a man who doesn't care and is not doing anything for his own kids. And also, not only that, if you even go back, Kelly Khumalo also made a video, where she was actually angry. That I think it's Christian, where she was saying, he looks similar to Jub, so she's not happy about that, etc. So most of those things, Jub was hearing them, and it finally pushed him to go this far, to request Kelly Khumalo to stop. And I think it's a fair request from Jub, for him to finally to stop, taking their personal lives onto social media, because sometimes this drama is just unnecessary in itself. Because obviously nobody is perfect, but in as much as we all make mistakes, people should learn, to resolve whatever issues they have privately. Yeah, I think that's what is important. And maybe if all else fails, then maybe after that's when maybe you can go on social media, but I wouldn't feel like it's necessary. So because Kelly Khumalo took this drama to social media, that's why Jub is also responding back on social media, and even demanding, that his son be brought to him, because he is being denied, access to his own son by Kelly Khumalo herself, for reasons known best to Kelly Khumalo. So one thing that has been amazing is that Jub's emotional intelligence in all of this drama is been top notch. You can see that he is an amazing level of emotional intelligence in how he is handling this entire issue here. Also, Jub is not like he didn't even try, to contact Kelly Kumalo, for that matter, to try and get into contact with him. She did try to contact Kelly Kumalo, but did not succeed. So maybe the only option that might work, it would be to take Kelly Kumalo to court and they can fight in court there. But that is obviously going to bring unnecessary drama. So I feel like those are some of the things that Jub maybe does not want to involve himself in. But obviously, Jub seems not to be doing enough to take care of these kids himself, because I'm sure, he should have tried, or even go there to the home of Kelly Kumalo, do something, to get there and make sure that he is in contact with Christian. So Jub seems to be doing the minimum, because at one point he mentioned, that he bought some soccer boots for Christian, but those are just soccer boots. A lot more is needed and expected from him. So if he can somehow manage to get those soccer boots to Christian, then he surely can get a lot more to Christian via the same route. But maybe poverty, maybe, but I doubt, with that kind of a car that he is seated in. Obviously, a car is not something to judge from, to assess someone's financial situation. But I doubt, that Jub is one of those guys who can fail to put food on the table for Christian. So this is kind of a problematic situation. And the reason why I would say it's problematic is because Kelly Kumalo seems to be weaponizing this entire situation against Jub, but obviously the one who's going to suffer the most at the end of the day is Christian and not Jub. And to some extent, obviously, her Kelly Kumalo, because she'll be having these thoughts, of trying to block Jub, unnecessary work that should be putting on her own shoulders. So this is the situation that is there. The way forward, is for Kelly Kumalo to just open the door for Jub instead of attacking him on social media, is just to open the door for Jub and let him provide for Christian if he can or if he wants to. I'll catch you guys on the next one.